Hello, Matthew Boot here with the Cherokee Division of Forest River in beautiful Topeka, Indiana. The sun is starting to come through, the clouds are dissipating, and I'm having a great time here doing these videos for you. And I'm standing in front of the 274 RK Cherokee. Now, before I start to talk about the Cherokee, I just want you to look over here at the Gray Wolf so I can explain the difference. One of the things when I've been out on the road that is sometimes frustrating is sometimes I'll have a guy say, well, one's a Chevy and one's a Cadillac. In reality, the equipment is the same on both of these units, but as you can see with the A-frame and the I-beam here, that with the Gray Wolf product, the A-frame goes directly into the I-beam and we're utilizing the above floor slide. With the Cherokee product, as you can see, the A-frame goes in underneath the I-beam so it sits up a little higher, and then you have a boom, a metal boom underneath the slide out, and so that's really the difference. It's the frame and the slide out. And so the way I describe it to people is the Gray Wolf is going to be our F-150 with the Platinum package, and this is going to be the F-250 with the Platinum package. There's roughly between the frames 500 to 600 pounds of weight difference. So getting going on the 274 RK, now that I've explained the difference between the two, you're going to have the power tongue jack. It provides you illumination, and by having the power tongue jack, it makes it very easy to put your bars on. In addition, this little cap here is if you were to ever have an issue with this, which you're probably not, you do have a manual override so you'll never get stuck. You're also going to have your 20-pound LP bottles here, just like in the Gray Wolf product, which you can easily swap out anywhere. And just like everything else that we have in our product line from the pup on up, you have the aerodynamic radius front for towability, and we're using the high impact thick gauge aluminum here in the radius front for improved towability. Coming down, you're going to have your nice storage here, which is going to continue in through under the bed, and we're also using the nice trunk liner like I showed you before in our videos. You're going to have a nice painted cargo door here, and also that's going to tie into our painted metal, which we're using for our styling along the side of the coach here, which is beautiful. This is your Freon solar prep. The unit is prepped for solar. It does not come with a solar panel, but you do have the prep with your wiring. Jacks again on all four corners. And also right here by the jack is going to be where your LP quick connect is as well. I know we've talked a lot about the awning, but with the gas strut, this is going to have the dexterity to move up and down. You can adjust it to get the sun out of your eyes, and if you're in a light wind or rain situation, if water pools on one side or the other, it will dump for you. My suggestion is to bring the awning in if you're going to have any adverse weather coming in. You have your friction hinge door here. Again, another great feature. With our lighting, you have your exterior scare light right underneath that drip rail right there. And then you also have this really nice blue, elegant LED light. Our Cherokee stable step, new for this year in our package, very stable. You have your nice grab handle here. This has really been a feature that has excited me this year. It's kind of the new wave. This will fold up and store inside your door. Very, very nice feature in the Cherokee product. We have that across the line. Moving over here, you're going to have your TV bracket, so you can move a TV inside and out, or as I had said earlier in videos, I take it out of the storage and put a little one out here and leave my big TV up. Outside speakers with your LED light, your receptacles for plugging stuff in, and also your cable hookups right here. On our wheels, you're going to have a radial tire, nitrogen filled, mag wheel, easy lube axle, and then you also are going to have the tire pressure indicator valve. When it's red, you know you lost some air, you need to put some air in it. If you're green, you know you're good to go. Now this particular unit doesn't have it on here, but there is an option, just like on the 27RR and also the 26DBH, for the ice maker outside kitchen, which will roughly go in this area. Just want to point that out, so if you have customers ask about it. Really, really, really nice feature if you'd like to option that in. Back here to the back side of the coach, you're going to have your rear utility rack. This is really awesome because you have a 200-pound capacity. Bikes, firewood, grills, anything that you can think of, you can put on the back here. Gives you a really, really nice platform for extra outside storage. And then this is going to be where your spare tire mounts. What you see there is our Furrion backup camera prep. We do not have this unit does not come with a backup camera, but it is wired for it. And then here is going to be where our 30 amp service, because we're using a marine style detachable power cord with a LED indicator on either end, you'll know if you've got power from the park or at your coach if you were having any kind of issue. And that's really nice. And then, because I show this in all the other videos, I like to show the exterior wiper, and then you can also feel on the inside here the interior wiper with the large bulb automotive seal on the slide out. You're going to have your hot and cold outside shower located right here. And then you're also going to have 6-gallon direct spark ignition gas electric hot water heater, which has a quick recovery. And so that is going to round out the exterior demo of the 274 RK Cherokee. If you have any more questions, please feel free to check out our website or check us out on social media. Thank you.